Good day and welcome to today's Autodesk Inventors class. Today we'll be considering the problem as displayed on the screen. My name remains Oluwatumbi Blessing or Lalekon, the founder of Michael Tech. Alright, I'm going to be producing this object on the screen from the plan view. I'm going to click on my Start 2D sketch, pick any of my plane here. I'm going to pick my circle of diameter 44. Alright, then another circle of diameter 30. Okay, after doing that, I'm going to actually pick a line right here. Okay, let me use 10 line here. From the center, I project this line out here like this. Can you see that? So I'm going to click this again. So take note of that. I'm going to pick another line now. Okay, I'm creating this line like this. Then I'm creating another one right here like this. Escape. So the distance between this line is 4. Here to here is what? Is 4. Enter. So I'm going to use my symmetry command. So clicking on this line and that center line which I created earlier on. Can you see that? So then what? Escape. Then I'm going to use my trim command. I'm going to trim this, and I think it's okay. Yeah, it's okay like this. All right, so done with that. Yeah, I'm going to pick my line, standing at this edge, a straight line of distance. What distance? 88. Enter. Coming down at a distance of 44. Enter. Then that's it. So using my tangents constraint this circle to this area here. Already done. I'm going to pick my circle, radius 10, that's diameter 20, right here. Pick my line from that area to the outside right here, and from this to the outside right here. Okay, using my dimension from the center of this circle to the center of this, the distance here is what? Is 54. Enter. Then picking my fillet of radius what? Radius 10. All right, I'm going to this edge to this edge, this edge to this edge. Okay, using my trim command, I will trim this and this. Yeah, then what? Escape. I think I'm good to go. Yep. Then what? Finish sketch. So finishing my sketch right now, I'm going to actually have this view, picking my extrude and picking this back side like this, distance of what? 44, but I'm changing it towards what? Bottom. All right, then what? Okay, clicking on extrusion. I'm going to share this sketch. All right, picking my extrude, I'm extruding this whole area, mark of what? 15, but facing where? The bottom side like this. Then what? Okay, then I can add my what? Height, my dimension, and that is the production of that object as displayed on the screen. All right, so my name remains Oluwatumbi Blessing or Lalekon, the founder of Michael Tech. Kindly ensure you share this video with your friends who might be in need of it, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you.